Hey everyone, welcome to Neolife Cooking Club. Today we're doing 3 ways to cook eggs with no oil. First up, we're going to preheat our griddle pan using the water test. Once it is preheated, make sure to turn the temperature down to low. We'll be starting off with some scrambled egg, so we're just going to mix our egg and put it straight onto the griddle pan. Now, using our best friend in the kitchen, the Saladmaster turner, we're going to scramble our eggs. And just like that, you've got scrambled eggs ready, no sticking, ready to serve. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video for more cooking videos from us. Next up, we'll be doing Sunnyside up, and all you need to do is crack the eggs straight onto the griddle. Season however you like. Here we're using some pepper, and put any lid on top. We can cook it for 3 to 5 minutes depending on how well done you like your eggs. And finally, we will be doing our omelette. We added some cheese and potato that we grated using our Saladmaster food processor. And like before, just add it straight onto the griddle using whatever lid to cover it. We cook this for 4 to 5 minutes. And voila, you have your omelette ready to serve. Hope you enjoy!